Welcome to this Red Points tutorial on how to report a fake TikTok account. Step 1. Open profile. Open the TikTok app and navigate to the infringing profile. Note that we are opening the app from a desktop. On mobile, it might look a little different. Step 2. Report account. Click the three dots next to the account username, then click on Report. Step 3. Select reason. From there, click on Report account. You will see several scenarios. In this case, the appropriate option is pretending to be someone. Step 4. Submit report. TikTok will ask you if the account is pretending to be you or a celebrity. If it is pretending to be your brand or someone you represent, select celebrity and add the username of the account being impersonated. Select it from the drop-down and then click submit. If the account is pretending to be you, click me and submit the report. For manual reporting steps and further details, visit our blog linked below. Let us know in the comments if you found this useful. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.